A dwi efo Ben o Ambionics yma yn y parc gwyddoniaeth. For people who don't know, what do you make? What do you do?
We're the inventors of body-powered hydraulics, and we're pioneers of very early prosthetic intervention to help kids like my son. Sadly lost his left arm just 10 days after he was born, about 3 years ago.
So you decided to do something about this, and you invented something that can not only help your son, but other boys and girls worldwide.
Absolutely, yeah. So we're working on a trial at the minute with 20 families from Australia through to South America, trying to get this right, but we're ready now to receive investment and start taking it to market in the UK.
We're at a stage where you need a little bit more money.
Yes.
You're going to be starting another crowdfund soon.
Yes.
1st of May, tell us about what you're hoping to achieve through that.
All right, so first of all, this is unlike any crowdfund that's ever been done before. We've been peer-reviewed by medical experts. So they've looked at what we're doing, given us the thumbs up and letting us use their platform. So on May the 1st, we're looking for £7,000 so that I can then take the 43 I've already raised, put that with the 7, and then get matched investment from the Development Bank of Wales.
It's all clever stuff. You can show us how it works.
So this will sit under the armpit, and then basically as he squeezes his arm closed, it'll move the thumb to grab corners of books and things.
No electronics.
No, purely all 3D printed. So I designed and printed these myself on that machine. Everything else, there's a cable there. This one is then the battery-powered version, similar mechanism. So this is this world's smallest linear actuator that I've got from America. This will be operated via a 6-volt battery using something like this, which we're having developed. So this is a Myo armband. Rather than using 1970s electrodes, we use something a lot more cutting edge. And the great thing about this, without going too geeky on you, this is kind of like a Myo armband, but it's also got Nintendo Wii technology in it. So if my son's wearing this, he can look on a computer screen and move the mouse with his actual physical arm movements. And then it uses machine learning to learn the signal when he wants to grab. So then it's feeding back and getting smarter and more intelligent as he's just playing on computer games. Eventually connect it up to the arm and he'll just be able to use it completely naturally. So we've got a lot of stuff in the pipeline.
So there you go, Ambionics, Ben, and what will be a big team, I know, here on Anglesey, leading the way worldwide on prosthetics for young children. Wish you all the best.
Yeah.